With the Delhi Assembly elections on a full blast, the voice of the people in slums has always been associated with the voter base of the Aam Aadmi Party. Thus, the Bharatiya Janata Party launched a hugely ambitious campaign to change that. Union Home Minister Amit Shah convened a meeting of more than 3,000 slum leaders at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium and delineated what vision his party carries for Delhi towards development. Amit Shah's message: slum dwellers as liberators. In this speech, Amit Shah called AAP and Abda and said that the slum dwellers will play the most important role in liberating Delhi from this Abda. AAP has traded true development for vote bank politics. He assured that promises made by BJP will be kept without having second thoughts, pointing to the party's national record. Joining hands with the slum dwellers. This slogan was part of the new initiative being launched by BJP, in which it uses the Jahan Juggi Wahan Makan tag. Shah mentioned the Sobhiman apartment project in Ashok Vihar, whose keys were distributed to slum dwellers through a function attended by none other than the Prime Minister himself. Shah reiterated that no effort would be spared as far as the implementation of the welfare schemes for the underprivileged goes. BJP's outreach in slum areas. In a strategic move, Delhi BJP initiated a slum outreach campaign last year. Leaders and party workers spent nights in slums to interact with residents and understand their issues. Over 200 workers, including 53 women, were deployed to connect with slum residents and address their grievances. February 5th, a day of liberation from Abda. Shah declared February 5th will mark the day Delhi is liberated from Abda. He accused AAP of abandoning its anti-corruption roots and becoming synonymous with corruption. Shah questioned, why is Delhi the most polluted city in the world? Why are slum dwellers still receiving dirty water? What has Arvind Kejriwal done to address these issues? Breaking up slum vote bank, a tough challenge. Political analyst Jagdish Mamgain pointed out, once a loyal vote bank for Congress, slum dwellers have shifted to AAP due to the facilities it provided. BJP, out of power in Delhi for 26 years, is now aggressively working to win over this key demographic. Can BJP's strategy succeed? Meanwhile, AAP is also reinforcing its connection with slum residents. Arvind Kejriwal recently hosted sanitation workers for tea, while Manish Sisodia spent nights in slum areas engaging directly with the residents. Only time will tell which party succeeds in gaining their trust and transforming the electoral landscape of the capital.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.